Today we are gonna have a look what is inside a contactor. But first I would like to advertise my second channel, MDF Rescuer. Have a look on the link in the description. On that channel I do mostly electronic stuff and projects. Please have a look and subscribe. So I have these two contactors. I think a lot of people knows what contactors are. They are something like a relay but for high current. Yes, they are used in industry, in productions where is necessary to switch high currents, for example for big motors and stuff like that. And you can turn the motor through control circuit or control voltage. You can have the small control voltage and turn on high currents. So these are, I think, broken contactors. They have been used long time. We can have a look on them. They have been thrown in my work. As you can see, it is Schneider Electric and they are LC1D38. So I think they are around 38 amps. And sorry, today I don't have electricity because we have a power shortage, and I do video just from all my light source what I have from batteries. So it may not look as good as I usually have the lighting done. So alright, first what is important to say that here are power contactors which belongs to the high currents, if I say right. And you have I don't know how you call it, you have two smaller contactors. One is normally open, one is normally closed. Here are these two which you can use for some different things, I don't know. And here is the coil. A1, A2 here are contacts for the coil. And also here you can add another set of helping contacts. You can probably make some signalization or some different controlling system through these additional contacts and stuff like that. So it would be nice to open it and see what is inside. I sell this thing in my work, at my work, and I never had look inside. I know that this brand is very high quality. So let's have a look. Of course, when you use in industry contactors for a long time, it may broke after some time, because contacts can't last long time. Now I'm quite a bit struggling how to open it. This part seems to that it can go, so oh yes, it pops up, popped up. Sorry, my English, I'm not good at English. So some words I don't know how are pronounced. Actually, here we see the coil, what is inside. Let's have a closer look. It would be maybe nicer if my macro mode turns on. It looks like that my macro likes more when it has more light. Here you see that the coil is built for 24 volts and 50 or 60 Hertz. So it is for alternating current. Here you can see that here is one side of the metal core. Thanks to this core, which have a look on this side of the core, is somehow specially made. And this core helps to have better magnetic field, stronger than it is in ordinary air. So this is quite nice piece of engineering. I think this piece is maybe reinforced because here gets all the mechanic power when it turns on, and the second core is dropping exactly here on this part. In this already is nothing, so I'm going to put there the core, and also it sits in some rubber feet or something, because contactors can be quite noisy when they turns on, so manufacturers tries to eliminate the noise as much as possible. So this is quite good that I see that the rubber. Now alright, so here is a spring which pushes the upper core with contacts up, and when the magnetism starts, it is pushing this core down. So the spring needs to be in right tension, not too much strong, but enough strong to hold it, because all what is switching the power contacts off is the spring. So this spring needs to be, I think, well made. So let's have a look. Here as you can see is nicely connected to the plastic shaft which has contactors. And here, as you can see, the core doesn't have the reinforcement like here, but it also has some rivets or something here. And I want to say, if something in this video is bothering you, is boring you, so you can skip the video or watch something else as always, because this video is just ordinary thing what I do in my workshop. In the second channel I usually do quite interesting projects, but these are ordinary things. And I would watch this video to have it set onto the 2x speed in the settings. So now I would like to get into the contacts part, and this can be also quite difficult. Maybe I will need to unscrew. Sorry for the dog. He's missing the rest of my family. So no, this will be very difficult. I don't know what is holding me. Maybe I should start on this side. I think screws are holding me. I really think that the screws. No. I'm not going to edit this video, so if this maybe will be for a longer time, you can skip this part. Oh, it's going. Seems promising. Alright, I think we are there. All what it was holding, I think it was this small part. we could have it earlier. And this screw is now holding here. Alright, so now we can have a better view what is going on. So here are contacts for the I think power switching, let's call it like that. And also we don't see the contacts. And this is, as you can see, pushed into the here onto the coil contacts. I also saw some paste this wants to go out. So this can be nice view. Finally we see what is inside a contactor usually, and we see the most important part are macro, please turn on, are actually the contacts. Here are the power contacts, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I don't know if you see it well, but they are quite, I don't think that I say it right, sparked over. You see, so they has been eaten a little bit from the sparking of the electricity. And as you can see, first thing what is surprising to me that these contacts aren't pure copper. It looks like it's some alloy, and probably this alloy can be also the manufacturer's secret, what is there. But it seems that these contacts are in pretty good shape. I would expect it much worse, much more burnt contacts here, because this contactor was actually thrown away. So these maybe can survive when I would somehow scratch the oxidation there, or maybe with a Dremel and some small wheel with sandpaper I can clean this contact and perhaps use this contactor for something, but I don't have industry environment here, so I don't think that I can use it. But here you see the, I would say, helping contacts have a smaller contact area there. Here you can see better. And as you can see, the contactor has this moving part here, which goes up and down, and turns on and turns off the power. And what is important, but I don't know the right word for that, so I am going to call it spark. What is important is that the spark is divided into two places, as you can see. The sparking is actually done also here between these two contacts, and also here between these two contacts on one face. So like this they can make the spark smaller, and they do not, or they don't need to deal with perhaps to higher temperatures on the contacts. Yes. Also, I think this plastic material needs to be well tested for high temperatures. There is such a testing which is called glowing wire. You can Google it. if it can pass through testing, through approval, the plastic parts needs to withstand some temperatures. I don't know if exactly in the contactor if is there a norm or something, and which would say for contactors there needs to be such a plastic for, I don't know. But here you can see that this part is somehow protected with iron. With an iron, I would say that shielding. So sparking is here, but perhaps it will immediately cool down on these iron parts. So pretty nice touch, and you see that here is brass, here is copper. Perhaps it is necessary to have that material there. So I think this is pretty much it. What is inside, and also you see that it's on some springs. Perhaps it has better action, the contacts there. Also you can see if I want to save this contactor, I need also clean these contacts. It would be nice if I could turn it on, but I don't think that I have at my hand 24 volts, and no, today no, because electricity is down, so I have nothing what I could test. And even one thing I forgot to say, that what is different between a contactor which is for DC and for AC. I I don't know, but maybe the core. Maybe the important thing is the core. For AC, probably is important to have this core which is made from more parts, for sure. So, and this concludes this video. Thanks for watching, and have a look down in the description. There is a link of my second channel. Please look there, and I do pretty cool stuff. I do projects, video, and different things about electronics. And thanks for watching. Bye.